I'm Yu Hasegawa, so I'm going to introduce about Lanai earthquakes. So first, Lanai earthquakes is said one of the big earthquakes in Hawaiian history. It was occurred in February 19th on 1871, 10:11 p.m. So this earthquake's epicenter was near Palikaholo Point, and magnitude was 6.8 to 7.5 on the Richter scale. Damage caused by Lanai earthquakes. There were some earthquakes associated with Hawaiian Islands on the Pacific lithosphere, but especially Lanai earthquake damaged wide range of area. No unreinforced masonry building was left undamaged. And especially buildings that were made in old ways had a big damage. Next, we focus to tsunami. So a tsunami was to have accompanied the earthquakes shortly after. But uh, these reports are said doubtful as the claims were bigger and other eyewitnesses along the shores didn't report large waves. Next one is a damage for people caused by Lanai earthquakes. Fortunately, regardless of the big earthquake, the dead person was recorded zero, but there were a lot of damages for old buildings, roads, etc. So this experience connected to the review of resistance of building and roads. Next one is type of earthquake. So Lanai earthquake is categorized in large deep mantle earthquake. There are some similar type of earthquake. Maui, Huararai, Honolulu earthquakes. So how deep mantle earthquakes works? So when earth is crushed and the lithosphere flexes or bends due to the weight of the Hawaiian Islands above, these deep mantle earthquakes occur. So hurricane in 1871. So at the same year, there was a big hurricane. So on 9 August 1871, a major hurricane struck the islands of Hawaii and Maui and wrought widespread destruction from Hilo to Lahaina. The damage of the big hurricane in 1871. So this hurricane was reported at about 7:08 a.m. It commenced to blow and it lasted for about an hour and a half, so blowing right up the valley. There were 28 hours blown clean away and many more partially destroyed. So there is hardly a tree or bush of any kind standing in the valley. So finally we will focus on average of earthquakes in Hawaii. So according to this graph, Lanai earthquake was so big one. Furthermore, it occurs earthquakes, so 1 in 3 days, but this earthquake is not big and remote from Hawaii, so we didn't notice it. Conclusion, there was a big earthquake, Lanai earthquake in 1871, and it gave a big damages to all Hawaii Islands and buildings. At the same year, there was a big hurricane. So this experience connects to review of resistance of buildings and escaping. Small earthquakes occur many times near Hawaii, but they are not big, so people don't notice. Thank you for listening.